This is a one-owner 2018 Subaru Legacy 3.6R Limited. It has 6 cylinders with 3.6 liters. The AutoCheck report gives this a score of 90 out of 89. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the trunk so you can check out the spacious area that it is. And then the back seats can fold down if you need to haul longer items. And I'm gonna show you the spare tire. It's right there. Hopefully you never have a need for it, but they are kind of important if you do. Okay, you have aluminum alloy rims in the chrome and black. There's the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is a black leather in excellent condition. And your rear passengers have 2 USB ports as well as heated seats on each side. Here is the passenger seat. It is a power seat as well, so you have dual power front seats. Again, those leather seats are in impeccable condition. Here is the driver's seat. And then you do have a sunroof. And there's your sunroof controls. Your radio is equipped with Apple CarPlay as well as backup camera. Kind of nice to toggle. You have dual climate control. And over here, there are no caution or warning lights on, other than the TPMS sensor, which has to do with the temperature changes that we've been having lately, between 80 and low 50s. So you have your adaptive cruise control, and there's your phone controls, audio controls. And over here you have your collision alert, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, your seat memory, power locks, and power windows. And then in here you have your 12-volt port, auxiliary port, as well as 2 more USB ports. If you are looking, oh, one more thing, sorry. There's your heated seats. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive sedan to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Subaru Legacy out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!